Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see another type of handlebar arrangement used in case of the two-wheeler, that is motocross handlebar. The name itself indicating that such a type of handlebar are supposed to be used in case of the motocross racing. Motocross racing is nothing but the racing which is normally occur on a off-road or the muddy road, and which having a more irregularity up and down, which having a too much bumps and the deep to travel by the rider. Okay, and in that while performing the riding on such a vehicle, driver also need to be perform a stunt on it. Okay, so that stunt may be wheelie or a flip in air, reverse flip in air. Okay, in that way they are performing the stunt on it. Okay, so such a type of for such a type of activity, the driver need to be a have or rider need to be have or more control on entire vehicle, and for that purpose the vehicle need to be have a very lightweight. It should have a low base, it should have a low height. Okay, the overall height of the vehicle also should be less, and it should have a powerful suspensions, and it should have a rigid handlebar. So due to such thing only, driver can control in the machine, that entire machine like a toy. So to have a such control, the driver need to be seated more near to steering, because in case of the two-wheeler, more near to steering bar or the steering handle. Okay, so because of that, in such a type of vehicle or in such type of handlebar arrangement, we are using a low rise and low sweep. So first of all, we have to see what is a rise. In this figure we can see the front view of this handlebar, top view of this handlebar, and the side view of this handlebar. In the top front view, this rise is nothing but the vertical distance measure in between clamp position and the second bend of the handlebar. Second bend, this is the first bend and this is the second bend. Clamping position to the second bend of the handlebar. Okay, and sweep is nothing but when we are looking from the side, it is nothing but the distance between, that is horizontal distance between clamping position to extreme end of handlebar. Okay, so whenever we are having the low rise and the low sweep, that time driver need to be sit more near to handle. So in this image you can notice the seat arrangement is like that, it is halfly located on the fuel tank only. Okay, so driver is having a more sitting position to handlebar. Again, it is depend on the overall height of the rider. If rider have a height more than 5 feet, okay, he can sit easily backward side portion, or if having a low height, then he may sit to near to handlebar. So on that basis, it having a low rise and low sweep. So when I was having the low rise and low sweep, that time what advantage we are getting the more space to move across the handlebar, because in such type of racing, driver need to perform a stunts. Okay, and so to perform the stunts, there should not be any obstacle of handle. uh, there should not be any obstacle. So what happened, the leg movement and the hand movement having a big area, big space to across the steering system. Okay, so because of that, in such type of motocross racing, we are using a this low sweep, low rise type of handlebar, and such type of handlebar, because of that only such type of handlebar is named as the motocross handlebar. Okay, again another thing, whenever driver performing the stunt, suppose they have they performing a that reverse flip in air, and whenever they are completing their stunt and coming to the their termination point, means whenever they are coming to the ground from the sky. Okay, and as soon as they are touching to ground, the wheel of the vehicle touching to the ground, that time the entire weight of the rider and that bike supposed to be concentrate on the handlebar. Okay, and because of that, such a type of handlebar also need to be more rigid. So in many design, they try to use a center band between handlebar, which are giving a more rigidity to it. Okay, so that's why that's why we are having we can notice a central bar which is present some kind of design. So main advantage of this handlebar is it provide a more space for the leg and the hand movement and overall body movement of the rider while performing a stunts. Even this type of handlebar, because of this type of handlebar, driver are seated more near to handlebar because it having a low slip and the low rise, and it gives a better control whenever a machine is landing on the ground after performing the stunts.